everybody, Charlie Brown's Excellent Adventures, and today, me and my two daughters are going to do a review of the ZURU X Shot. We seen them at the store for $2, and we was messing with them in the aisles, and these things shoot about 80 feet for $2. They shoot really far. And we're going to do unboxing and some target shooting today. See what we're looking at.
Up to 80 feet.
Up to 80 feet.
24 meters.
Alright, we are back. We done unboxed. They are loaded up. Shazier is ready to shoot her dad for some reason. Whoa! Jesus, Murphy. Almost took my damn eye out. You'll shoot your eye out, kid. Alright, we're going to see how far this thing shoots.
Where'd it go, though?
I don't even know. Shazier's... Alright, go ahead, Pooba. Ah, the wind caught that one. It went way over there. Look at that. Hers went way over there. Alright, bring it on back.
Oh, no, you went for the wind.
Holy moly.
Okay, the wind's coming from this way.
Alright. That's pretty good. Alright, now we're going to do a little accuracy, see how good these things go. Go ahead and try to shoot them up.
It went beyond the board.
It went too far. You guys might be too close.
Yeah.
Here's another bullet here. You got yours? Yeah. Come on, Shay. Daddy give you a bullet.
Got one? It's fine.
I got your two right here, baby. You got three?
I only got one. 1, 2, 3. Wait, we're missing 2 then.
Yeah, there's 6 of them.
3. Hold on.
She's got 2.
I'm not that.
Oh, she shot it again, and I believe it went over the fence.
Might have the
Did it?
Yeah.
Shazier. You want the other one, huh?
I'm not about to shoot you.
The violence in kids these days with these Nerf guns. Uh-oh. So apparently, $4 for 2 guns is a good idea. My kid's going crazy with them. Says you were trying to stick up her sister. Freeze, it's a stick up.
Oh, here's one.
Alright, Hooba found one. We're down to 5.
Pretty sure I might have to jump fence.
You gotta do that. I ain't worried about that. We'll buy another pack.
Where are you going?
Stay over here. And that was the reviews on the pistolas. Thanks for watching.